All right, the oven is done, and we've let it gradually cool off inside, just like our instructions. So let's get the verdict on the annealing for the first two, and then I will put the third one in. Stay tuned. All right, my robot babies look no worse for the wear. I'm probably gonna have to wash them off. But while I wash them off and bend and see how they do, I think I can go ahead and put my Pet G in. My Pet G is the only one that didn't make it in last time. Let it get its cook on. All right, Pet G is heading into the oven. All right, first thing I know is next time I need to buy more salt. That I know for sure. I guess I need to go to 4 packs instead of 2. Okay. 1 hour. Yep, I don't cook. Can't do a cooking show. But cooking robot parts, I will definitely do. Okay, now this is about to get weird. I have washed off the salt and dried my robot chassis. But the only way to really test whether it worked is to try to bend them and see if they feel stronger and see if anything snaps off. But that's like breaking it if it didn't work, and that's totally against my religion. Ooh. Okay, let me try it anyway. Stay tuned.